Good morning children, welcome to maths class. So in the previous class we discussed about pictograph no children. So first of all, what's the meaning of data? So data means collected information. Okay, data means collected information. And pictograph means what means pictograph children? So representing data with using a common picture or symbol. Okay, here we used some symbols to represent data no children. So this is called pictograph. Okay, this is called pictograph. So now turn to next page. Hands-on activity in page number 86 children. 13.2. Create a chart showing the birthdays of your classmates with help of your teacher. Okay children, but you are not here no. So you have to imagine and write. So here the hands-on activities, how many of them are celebrating his or her birthdays in the months like January, February, March. So for example, I conducted this activity in regular class children. So in January, 3 students celebrating birthday, and February 4, March 5, April 2, May 6, June 4, July 2, August 3, September 1, October 4, November 3, December 2. Okay, so now draw a pictograph to represent the same data. Okay, now you have to draw pictograph children. So we know that what's the meaning of pictograph? Representing information with, okay, you have to represent data with using some pictures or symbols. Okay, represent data with using some symbols. So that means here you have to use any circle symbol or star symbol or smiley symbol is your wish children. So here I am using smiley symbols. So in January month, how many of them celebrating birthday? 3. Now what we have to do here? You have to draw 3 smiley symbols. Okay, here you have to draw 3 smiley symbols. Now in February, so represent with same symbols children. Means you have draw all smileys only. February month 4. So draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in March 5 means you have to draw 5. April 2 means draw only 2 symbols. Okay, draw only 2 symbols. Okay, like that you have to complete children. Here given up to December. Okay, we written already now. So in December 2 means you have to draw only 2 symbols. Okay, like that you have to complete children. Now, apart from pictographs, where else have you seen symbols being used to represent something? So in our daily life we observe some symbol children. So when we are, okay, here where else have you seen symbols being used to represent something? So what are the symbols they represent in somewhere children? For example, if you see arrow symbol, okay, so what's the arrow symbol shows children? Yes, arrow symbol shows directions, means to go right or go left or go straight, come back. Okay, here right, arrow symbols used to represent directions. Arrow symbols used to represent directions. And if we observe in bus stations and railway stations, if they are giving toilet symbol, so what's the meaning of that symbol? It means here the toilets are available. And in our schools and colleges they are giving tap symbol. So the tap symbol means what is the meaning of that symbol? In that the water is available. Okay, water is available. So that means in our daily life we are using some symbols, and the symbols represent something. Means here the arrow represents direction. So write this here. Now turn to next page. Look at the college Rahul has made using various shapes. He wants to know the number of shapes he has used in total. Help him make a pictograph one is done for you. Okay, first we are given already triangles, children. Now circles. You have to count number of circles here. First, it is circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total how many circles are here, children? 10 circles. So here you have to draw 10 circles. Here totally 10 circles are there, no children. You have to draw 10 smiley symbols. Okay, here you have to draw 10 smiley symbols. Now rectangles. Okay, it is one rectangle. It is one rectangle and total it is 1. Here inside the shape totally 3 rectangles and it is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here also 10 rectangles are there, no children. So again you have to draw 10 smileys. Okay, here you have to draw 10 smileys. Okay, here draw 10 rectangles. Now squares. Count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it is square shape, no children. 6 and this is also square shape, children. Okay, here 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9. Let us count again. Here 4, no children. 4, 5 and it is 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and it is 5 and it is, this shape is also square, no children. 6. Next 7, 8. Okay, inner side small is there, no. 9, 10. So here 10 squares are there, children. So draw 10 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, children, here draw 10. So everyone draw like this, children. Was it easy to draw the symbol so many times for each shape? Okay, children, it is easy to draw the symbol for symbols so many times. For example, here given 10, no children, we draw 10. If here the 30 means we have to draw 30, is it easy? No, it's take long time. So tick it no. So let us represent the same data in a different way. Now we have to represent the data with different way. So assume one symbol is equal to 2 shapes. Okay, one symbol is 2 shape. Okay, here here the symbol represent one symbol is 1 shape, no children. Now here you have to take scale. One symbol as 2 shapes. Okay, one symbol is equal to 2 shapes. Here how many triangles are there, children? 6 triangles. Okay, for 6 triangles, if you represent one symbol as 2 shapes means how many symbols we have to draw? Only 3. Okay, actually 6 shapes are there, no children. If they represent one symbol is 2 shapes means if you draw 3 only is enough. Now how many circles are here? 10 circles. Okay, if you represent one symbol is equal to one symbol is equal to 2 shapes means how many symbols we have to draw, children? Here total is 10 circles. No, so draw first. So it is 2. Next 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, here the each symbol represents two shapes, no children, means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Means here 10 circles. And rectangles also 10, no children. Now how many we have to draw? 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so like that you have to draw. Squares also 10. Here each symbol represents two shapes, children. So that's why here I am drawing like this. So this is also 5. Now it is not easy to represent large data through a pictograph using one symbol for each object. To represent the large number scales, like here, what is the scale used here, children? Here one symbol is equal to 2 shapes, okay? One smiley symbol is equal to 2 shapes. So any number can be used as scale for a pictograph. Here if you use one symbol is equal to 5 shapes and one symbol is equal to 10 shapes, is it your wish, children? Next, here is a list of students and the number of shells they collected at the beach. Okay, Archana collected 20. Sriram collected 10, Vaibhav collected 30 and Priya collected 20 shells. Okay, now represent one shell is 10 shells. Okay, here represent one symbol is 10 shells. Fill in the pictograph to represent the data. One is done for you. Okay, you have to fill it with. Now, Archana having 20 shells, no children. So, here given one symbol is 10. So, here you have to draw only 2. Now, Sriram collected how many shells? Only 10 shells. So, for 10 shells, we have to draw how many symbols? So, for one symbol represent 10 shells, no, just you have to draw only 1. And Vaibhav collected 30. Vaibhav collected 30 means how many shells we have to draw? So 1 for 10, no. So means 10, 20, 30. And Priya collected 10. Means you have to draw only 1 shell. So now it's represent Archana collected 20 here. Each symbol represent 10, no children. Next. Now here one symbol is equal to 5 shells. Represent the pictograph for the same data. So here you have to take one symbol as 5 shells, children. Okay. First Archana collected how many? 20. She collected 20, no. So now how many shells we have to draw? First 5, 10, 15, 20. Archana collected 10, no. You have to draw only 4. Sriram collected 10. Means how many we have to draw? 5, 10. We have to draw only 2. Vaibhav collected 30. How many we have to draw? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Next, Priya collected 10. Means how many you have to draw? 5, 10. Okay, 5, 10. Now, which pictograph is easier to represent? Tick your answer. Which pictograph is easier, children? Scale as 10 or scale as 5? Which one is easy? If we take scale 10 means we have to draw only less number of symbols. But if you take scale 5 means we need to draw more symbols. So which one is easy? Scale as 10. Okay, why do you think it was easier? Children, we can represent pictograph with using less number of symbols. Okay, if we take scale as 10, no. So we can represent pictograph with using less number of symbols. Okay. So everyone complete 13 year children. So here you have to draw pictograph. Okay, means you have to take any symbols and draw. Number of blue bottles. Here how many bottles are there? You have to represent with pictures. Okay children. This is about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.